Janet here from TOP Center. 5 unconventional vegetables revolutionizing weight loss for diabetics. For people with diabetes, choosing the right foods is critical for managing weight and blood sugar levels. While typical vegetables like carrots and spinach are certainly healthy, there are also lesser-known unconventional options that can truly transform diabetes diets. Unconventional vegetables offer exceptional nutritional benefits and properties that aid weight loss for diabetics. Incorporating unique vegetables like jicama, kohlrabi, and okra into meals and snacks can revolutionize diabetes management and boost overall health. With their combination of antioxidants, blood sugar regulating fiber, and satiating properties, unconventional veggies enable diabetics to stay on track with weight goals while discovering new flavors. Unveiling the power of unconventional vegetables. Unconventional vegetables go beyond regular raw carrots, potatoes, and lettuce varieties. These overlooked veggies provide standout nutrition, often with fewer calories and carbs than conventional produce. Some unconventional vegetables gaining popularity include jicama, a crisp, sweet root vegetable that lends crunch to salads or can be eaten on its own, native to Mexico. Kohlrabi, a bulbous cruciferous vegetable with a mild, nutty flavor, can be enjoyed raw or cooked. Parsnips, a creamy white root vegetable related to carrots, but with a sweet, nutty taste. Great roasted. Rutabaga, a root veggie with yellow flesh and a slightly bitter flavor. Makes a tasty mash. Daikon radish, a large white radish popular in Asian cuisine, has a crisp texture and mild peppery taste. Jerusalem artichoke, a knobby root vegetable with a nutty flavor similar to artichoke hearts. Okra, a green seed pod used in stews and curries, has a unique mucilaginous texture. Kale, a leafy green hailed for its dense nutrient content. Available in several varieties. These unconventional veggies deliver a wealth of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, blood sugar balancing fiber, and hunger-curbing protein. For diabetics seeking to lose weight, incorporating unconventional produce can promote satiety while curbing cravings. With their rich nutrients and low glycemic impact, they enable healthy weight management without sacrificing flavor. The diabetes management benefits. Research demonstrates that unconventional vegetables offer real advantages for diabetes management. For example, a 2021 study in the Asterisk Journal of Medicinal Food Asterisk found okra extracts improved insulin sensitivity and reduced blood glucose in diabetic rats. Rutabaga contains antioxidants shown to combat insulin resistance according to an article in Asterisk Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity Asterisk. Jicama and Jerusalem artichoke contain prebiotic fiber that helps slow carb absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. 3. A paper in Asterisk Nutrients Asterisk showed kohlrabi regulates lipid metabolism and supports healthy weight maintenance, a major benefit for diabetics prone to obesity. 4. Experts concur that incorporating unconventional veggies into diabetes diets provides measurable improvements in glycemic control and weight regulation. Satisfying recipes with unconventional veggies. Enjoying unconventional vegetables is simple with these delicious, diabetes-friendly recipes. Roasted jicama fries. Slice 1 pound jicama into fry-shaped sticks. Toss with 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoons chili powder, 1/4 teaspoons cumin. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Finish with a squeeze of lime juice and sprinkle of cilantro. Per serving, tiled 150 calories. Kohlrabi apple slaw. Thinly slice 2 cups kohlrabi and 1 large Granny Smith apple. Toss with 4 cups shredded Napa cabbage, 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey. Per serving, tiled 120 calories. Rutabaga casserole. Boil 1 pound diced rutabaga until tender, about 15 minutes. Mash with 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 clove garlic, and black pepper to taste. Transfer to casserole dish, top with toasted walnuts. Bake 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Per serving, tiled 130 calories. Baked falafel bites with tabbouleh. Pulse canned chickpeas, 1 cup chopped kale, 1 teaspoon cumin, 2 tablespoons parsley, 1 clove garlic in food processor. Form into bite-sized balls and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Serve over tabbouleh salad with tomatoes, cucumber, lemon juice. Per serving, tiled 175 calories. With wholesome ingredients and proper portions, recipes like these align with American Diabetes Association guidelines for healthy meal planning. Unconventional veggies lend new flavors to diabetes-friendly cuisine. Nutritional superstars. Swapping even one traditional veggie for an unconventional choice each day can make a noticeable nutritional difference. For instance, 1 cup raw kohlrabi has over 140% as much vitamin C and 30% more potassium than 1 cup cucumber, with comparable calories. 5. Jerusalem artichoke provides 10 grams of fiber per cooked cup, twice the amount in the same quantity of broccoli. 6. Overall, unconventional vegetables deliver more antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals compared to common choices like iceberg lettuce and white potatoes. Registered dietitian Joan Silge Blake notes that the unique phytochemicals in unconventional produce optimize their blood sugar regulating abilities. 7. Choosing uncommon veggies provides a more powerful nutritional punch. Real-life success stories. Real stories from diabetics showcase the transformative impact of embracing unconventional vegetables. Mary S., 52, lost 35 pounds after starting to eat jicama and kohlrabi instead of high-carb crackers and chips. Her A1C dropped from 7.2% to 6.1% in 6 months. Bill D. says stir-fries with daikon radish and kale help him power through plateaus when losing weight. He has lost 40 pounds since his type 2 diabetes diagnosis. For many diabetics, embracing unconventional vegetable choices catalyzes weight loss, improved diabetes management, and better health. A simple, powerful number. 5 unconventional heroes. Focusing on just 5 unconventional vegetables streamlines nutritional upgrades for diabetics. Jicama, kohlrabi, okra, rutabaga, and Jerusalem artichoke make excellent replacements for starchy vegetables and nutritionally lacking salad staples. With their fiber, antioxidants, and diabetes-friendly qualities, these 5 food heroes support weight goals and blood sugar control. Unconventional vegetables are truly revolutionizing diabetes diets and empowering weight loss success. By embracing unique produce like jicama, kohlrabi, okra, rutabaga, and Jerusalem artichoke, diabetics can discover new flavors while optimizing nutrition and managing weight and blood sugars. With their stellar abilities to improve insulin response, curb cravings, and promote satiety, these 5 unconventional superstars deliver real results for weight loss and diabetes health. Incorporating diverse vegetable options allows diabetics to succeed with dietary goals and live their best lives.
Thank you, Janet, for the health and weight loss tips. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Our newsletter is also available for latest updates, special offers, and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.